When have you said, that's not my name? It was the first time my dad called me by my mom's name. She passed away 2 years ago. I was just setting the table when he looked up and said, "Dinner smells great, Lisa. My name is Emily." At first, I thought I misheard him, but then he did it again, and again. Over the next few weeks, he kept calling me Lisa. I'd correct him gently. He'd laugh it off or just go quiet. The man who once helped me with math homework and tucked me in every night, now looked at me like a stranger wearing someone else's face. One day he forgot where he was, thought we were in their old house, asked where little Emily was. That's when it hit me. He didn't just confuse me with her, he was losing me too. So I sat next to him, held his hand, and said, "Dad, I'm Emily, I'm your daughter." He looked confused, then scared.